Hi everyone, the last topic in this series is why to use a function module to change the status, and to be specifically the user status. Now let's look into it. First of all, the status profile defines the order in which the statuses should be updated, as we discussed earlier. There is some configuration which is done in the system for the status profile, and the sequence in which these statuses should be updated is mentioned in this configuration. So when you update the status, multiple configuration steps are checked in the background. It is not just that you are making a entry in the JEST table. Before the entry is made into this JEST status table, the system goes and checks all these conditions which are defined in the status profile, and then accordingly this status is updated. So that is why you should always use function module. There are some bodies or enhancement spots where the entire status is of order is available in the internal table, and at times the developers do get tempted to make a additional entry in this internal table when they want to update the status rather than using the function module. However, please do not do this, because if you just directly make an entry in that internal table for status management, it might cause some errors as far as this status profile configuration is concerned. So therefore please ensure that you are using the function module. And when the for the functional team members, when you are updating the FS, you please mention that just whenever you are asking to modify the status, I mention use of the function module. One more point is that if you are calling the function to update this status of any order, a commit work should be followed by it. Let's say if you are calling it through some report or some other UI app, and you are updating the status, it should be followed by a commit work. If you don't do commit work, then the status will not be updated. Now the FM to update the status, we have already seen it in the demo. It is status change extern. Extern is for external status, which is the user's status. The inputs to this function module is object number, the user status. Now this is the value which you get in the JS table, and it is not the text value. And if you want to set the status as inactive, you can set this flag, and you execute the function module. Again, this function module execution should be followed by a commit work. And that marks the end of this series. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Bye.